In this lecture, we're going to expose data from a function to the outside world. The getStatus function takes in a value. Based on this value, it'll produce a readable message for the payment status. This information is not available outside of the function. Exposing information outside of a function is a common practice for developers. What if we want to change the language of the text? Alternatively, we may want to change the formatting by wrapping the text with HTML tags. Not all pages may render text the same. For the most flexibility, we should expose the payment status to outside sources. This behavior is possible by returning the value. At the bottom of the function, add the return keyword followed by the message variable. By returning a value from the function, a few things happen. Firstly, the code inside the function stops executing. If we were to continue writing code after the return statement, nothing would happen. PHP won't execute the code written after this statement. This is why we've written the statement at the end of the function. Now the question is, how do we access this information? Returning a value from a function can be stored when it's called. Below our function, we're invoking the getStatus function. By returning a value, we can store this information in a variable. Let's set a variable called statusMessage to the function's return value. Next, call the variable dump function with the statusMessage variable. The message gets rendered twice, once from inside the function and another time from outside the function. Returning data is optional, but it can be useful to use data from a function after it's been executed. Not all functions need to return data. It's completely optional. The variable dump function is an example of a function that doesn't return data. Overall, functions are a powerful feature for reusing logic. In a few lectures, we've created a function that can convert a status from a number to a human-readable message. It's very flexible and gives us the power to customize its behavior. Functions have so much more to offer. For the next set of lectures, we're going to explore these features. I'll see you in the next one.